Hey guys, in today's video, ito yung continuation ng Zoom tutorial natin. In my previous video, gumamit tayo dun ng laptop at ngayon ay gagamit tayo ng mobile. And guys, itong topic natin is Zoom, how to use Zoom. Pero ang gagamitin natin is yung mga basic features lang. Maraming features yung Zoom, pero yung sa video na to, basic features lang yung pag-uusapan natin kung saan yung lagi-lagi natin ginagamit. Okay? So, punta lang kayo sa App Store nyo or sa Play Store and search nyo yung Zoom. Itong Zoom Cloud Meetings, yan yung i-download nyo. Kung na-download ko na. At ito yung interface niya. So, pag mag-join ka, click mo lang yan. Kahit hindi ka na mag-sign in, makakapag-join ka as long as na meron kang meeting ID. So, pag nag-sign in tayo, gamitin ko yung sinign or niregistered ko dun sa isang tutorial natin. So, launch Zoom. And ito na yung homepage niya. Almost the same lang naman sa laptop. Ang kinaiba lang dito is yung layout niya. Okay? So, dito sa Meet and Chat, dito mo ma-access yung button kung saan makakapag-start ka ng meeting, makakapag-join, schedule, and share screen. And dito naman sa meetings, dito may store yung meetings na create mo. Sa contacts, you can add contacts in here. And dito sa settings, dito mo siya, kung may gusto kang baguhin sa settings, you can access in here. Okay? Dito sa contacts, ayan, chat. So, dito lang sa settings button. Alright, punta tayo sa meet and chat. And then, dito ka makakapag-start ng meeting. Let's say mag-host tayo ng meeting. You can start the meeting with video on or video off. Okay? You can use also your personal meeting ID if you want and then start a meeting. And it meeting screen natin. So again, dito sa baba, dito mo ma-access yung mute, start video, share screen, participants. Dito sa more, dito ma-access yung security. If you want to allow participant to share screen, you can turn it on. And if you want to lock the meeting, you can turn it on. Alright? Dito sa more again, dito ka makakapag-chat na mababasa ng lahat ng participants. And dito sa meeting settings, if you want to change something in there, you can change. And itong YouTube guys, ito yung pwede mong i-live stream sa YouTube yung Zoom meeting mo or yung webinar mo. Right? Just pag clinic mo yan, i-connect mo lang yung YouTube mo. Okay? So ako hindi ko kasi kinonnect. You can raise your hand if you want to say something, and then you can send images. There's a lot of images in here. Okay? And pag nag-share screen tayo, ito yung lalabas. If you want to share or if you want to share your something in the Google Drive, if you want to share your photo, your document, okay, you can choose in there. If you want to share your screen and your camera, and then this whiteboard, you can illustrate in here. Again, just tap the pencil icon sa baba, and then you can write something. Alright, and then you can erase it by just tapping the eraser. Tap the text you input in there. Okay, and itong dito sa baba, itong 3 dots dito sa gilid, you can save kung ano yung sinulat mo dyan. You can save it to your gallery or to your album. So ganun guys yung pag-share mo ng whiteboard. Right? Kapag mag-share screen ka naman dito, yung screen mo ang isi-share mo, Zoom will start capturing everything that displayed on your screen. So, pag start mo yan, automatic may masi-share yung screen mo. Alright? So, ayan guys. Ayan, madi-display dyan yung screen mo. You can go to a location ng phone mo kung saan andun yung gusto mong i-share. Alright? That's how you host the meeting. And if you're, again, pag nag-end ka na ng meeting, if you're the host, end meeting for all. And if you're the participant, you can leave the meeting. So, ayan. Pag-join mo naman, again, meeting ID lang. And then you can join without any sign in. And the schedule, dito malalagay mo yung meeting agenda na gusto mo or meeting name ng gusto mo, and yung date, yung duration, yung time, and andito yung invite link na ipapasa mo sa kanila para maka-join sila sa meeting mo. That's it. Right? And then click done. So, kapag click done, ito na. Mag-a-add ka na ng mai-invite mo. Pwede yung mga nasa Gmail contacts mo or nasa Yahoo mail mo. Right? So, if you click invite, so, ayan. Mai-invite mo sila through Gmail, Yahoo, Messenger, or Messages. Right? So, try natin. Example natin yung Gmail. So, that's how it looks like kapag mag-invite ka ng participants sa meeting mo. Okay? So, nasan? Alright. That's how you schedule the meeting here in Zoom Mobile. So, pag share screen, meeting ID lang din yung kailangan mo. Okay? Enter sharing key or meeting ID to share to a Zoom room. Okay? So, that's it guys. That's how easy para magamit mo yung Zoom. And again, marami pang marami pang features si Zoom. So, yung tinalakay natin is basic lang. So, thank you guys. I hope it helps. And yung tutorial ko sa laptop, panoorin niyo po. Ilalagay ko yung description sa baba or sa I button para mapanood niyo po and makita niyo yung pagkakaiba. Pero most of us naman gamit lagi is yung mobile. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. See you on my next video.